Hi, did you know how to download a video from YouTube? Do you know how to do it? Okay, let me teach you a very short and simple way of downloading a YouTube video. Let's go to YouTube. Yeah, select any YouTube video that you want. Like for example, here full action movie, maybe like this one. Yeah, so just click.
So this is one of my essential
So
items.
initially you will have
I carry
this.
this around because
This
I
is your
found this on a movie set one
youtube.com,
day,
right?
and it's really cool because
So
whenever you want to like end a
one
conversation
of
with
the
someone, you just
easiest
go,
method to actually
or I'll be
download
like,
the
hey, let's
YouTube
stop the
is by
conversation about how you owe me
typing
money, and action.
SS in front of YouTube.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
As you can
I'm
see
Trevor
here.
Noah, comedian and host
So then
of
you
The
will
Daily
get
Show,
something like
and
this,
these
SS
are my essentials.
and then press enter. It will bring you to this, and then you can select whether you want to download MP4, 750, 720, 360, 1080, and so on. Yeah. So let me just download because I'm running this tool called Download Manager. It will allow me to download. That's it. Okay. So to verify, I'll try to download this.
So this is one of my essential items.
Done. Now the second option or method is copy the same link. Go to keep fit that. There's another one called Keep Fit Pro, which also allows you to download the video. Click on the YouTube video converter and then paste the link and click download. Okay, it's gonna take a while because it's trying to download, and you can right click and then select save link as and put a name, like for example Noah here. All right, so download, and let's see if we can actually play this.
So this is one of my essential items.
That's it. Two different ways of downloading your favorite YouTube video. Okay, tell me if this trick runs smoothly on your laptop, PC, or even your phone. Give me some comments, right? So that's all, guys. Bye bye.